friends, welcome to my third video, and today is a special video because I am returning from Apple store and I have purchased my first MacBook Air. It is the first of its kind with an M1 chip. I've never really owned a Mac before. It's pink in color. I like girly things. But I'm really excited, and I will be unboxing it with you guys first. I'm not a very geeky person, but I will share with you what I know and we'll try to unbox it along with you guys. So let's start. So guys, I just reached home a few minutes ago and I am ready to start unboxing. This came in a very fancy Apple bag, like you can see. I just picked it up from an express pickup from the Apple store at one of the factory outlets. So here it is. So like you can see, it is very sleek. It is pink in color. So this is MacBook Air 13-inch 8 GB RAM with 256 GB storage. So let's try to open it up here. Let's see if it opens. It's opening up. A bit heavy for me. Everything is heavy for me. So looks really good, packed really nice. It has this plastic covering on top of it. So this is a rose gold color. And it comes with a charger, USB cable. I think it also has an adapter in here, and I guess you can also take other adapter kit if you want to use it in some other country or university. So here it is. It is really good, sleek finish. It is made of aluminum, rose gold in color. Okay. And it has a covering for the store for the desktop. It looks really nice. Right now it's starting. So meanwhile, let me tell you what are the cool features of this Mac. So like I said, it's 13-inch. It's 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage.
Use English as the main language.
Okay.
Press the return key.
Alright, so I'm just going to mute it for the purpose of this video so that it doesn't distract us. But it has got a new kind of keyboard. They call it a magical keyboard. It says the number of movements from one key to other will be faster. I'm not really sure how that is. So also it has got a retina display, which is 2560 to 1600 pixels resolution. Also, so this has a 16-core neural engine for machine learning apps. So what that means is that it will use machine learning as a way to seek feedback from device performance and user usage of different applications to optimize the device performance, which I think has been incorporated in any of the Macs for the first time, which is really good. Also, it has an improved FaceTime HD camera. So again, it is also, I forgot to mention, it has M1 chip, which is the major revolutionary technology in this new Mac. So what M1 chip is, initially the Macs were based on Intel chip processors. So M1 chip is developed in-house by Apple. So all the synchronization between the software and hardware will be very well because of this M1 chip. And this MacBook Air is fanless. There are no fans in this, so will be really silent to work on. Now, why I bought this Mac? So this is my first Mac. Before that, I was only using Windows laptop. So this is the reason I bought this. There were two reasons. In my Windows laptop had a very reduced performance recently. I did reformat it, essentially for using video editing softwares. It was just not performing up to my expectations. So I generally use my laptops for browsing or just for using Microsoft Office, not anything beyond that. So for now I need it for video editing, which is one of the major things I'll be doing, and really needed to run it efficiently because I don't have a lot of time waiting for the Windows to respond. So secondly, the apps that Apple provides, like the Final Cut Pro and iMovies, are considered to be one of the best in market video editing softwares. So that's why I wanted to go for it. So this is the base version, which is 8 GB and 256 GB. So it cost me so the market price is $9.99. I got a bit cheaper with education pricing. You can also get about 3% cash back using your Apple Card. Also, some of the other features are the front camera is 720 pixels. The CPU is 3 times faster than before. The GPU is 2 times faster than before. The battery life is much longer. That's what at least what Apple claims it to be. They say it can provide you about 18 hours of battery life. So I just entered the credentials for my Wi-Fi, which I would obviously not share with you guys, but then it asks for data privacy, feature, personal information, whatever. I just want to skip it for now. And this is migration assistant. If you had other Mac or Windows and you want to transfer your stuff from here to there using some kind of disk. So for now, I'm going to select not now because I don't want to do it right now. And then it will ask for your Apple ID. So this is how the laptop looks. So it asks for some Siri setup, some credit cards information, syncing your account with your cloud account, for syncing information, and for asking for some permission. So this is finally how it looks. It asks you for some themes and whatever steps you normally go through for setting up a new laptop. Nothing major. So guys, if you liked my video, please share, subscribe and comment. Let me know how I can do better in future. So I will still be exploring my new Mac. I'm not very familiar with it right now, but I've just set up some permission, like I said, and will download some of the softwares that I will be using a lot. Also, just to let you know, like today I received an email from the Apple support asking me to register for a kind of tutorial or like intro session with a specialist, from a tech specialist from Apple, and it gives you the option to select from about 5 or 6 different topics like iCloud or setting up a new laptop or other features like hardware, software. I don't really remember all of them, but there were like 5 and it lets you select only 2. So I'm going to schedule it, and I think it will be really helpful for someone like me who will be using Mac for the first time. So you can do it. Check your email once you pick up your device, and it gives you the option to schedule it. Sometimes it's not available at that time. Like I checked in today and I didn't have any sessions like in a near 1 week or 2, but I'm looking forward to schedule one for myself, so you can do it too. Apart from that, guys, yeah, please keep sharing your feedback. I'm going to look forward to your support. So thanks for being part of Shala Land. Have a good day, have a good night, have a good life. Bye bye.